Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a credit card application with Wells Fargo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a credit card application with Wells Fargo, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Wells Fargo website. Once on the home page, locate the credit cards section. Click on credit cards to explore available options. Review the different credit card offerings. Select a card that best meets your needs. After choosing a card, click on the Apply Now button. You will be redirected to the application page. Fill in your personal information as prompted. This includes your name, address, and social security number. Next, provide your financial details. Enter your income, employment status, and monthly housing payment. Review the eligibility requirements listed on the page. Make sure you meet the criteria before proceeding. Once all information is entered, double-check for accuracy. After verifying your details, read through the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to confirm. Proceed to submit your application by clicking the Submit button. You will receive notification of your application status shortly. Keep an eye on your email for further instructions. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.